Hi everyone, it's Adam here from CaddPro with a new addition to the Engineering Productivity Pack. The new program is for labeling contours, so just a bit of an overview. Uh, this program works with contours that have been dropped from an open roads terrain. The contours could also come from any other source as well. So let's start exploring the tabs here now. So the first tab, it's for syncing those contours with the terrain. So I'll just do a quick sync on the contours, and that's sync the contours with the source terrain. The second tab is for the level, so you define what level your major contours are on, minor contours, and also if you've got any label location lines. The next tab, there are our common settings defining what we want to label and what it's going to look like, the accuracy. So let's place some labels by line. So I'll just hit process and let's have a look. So it's placing those contours square to the contour facing up, and I could toggle that square to the contour facing down. I could go square to the contour but in the direction of the line, so you can see it's following the direction of the line. Our other option here is square to the contour and up in the view, so that way those labels will always appear up according to the view that you're in. Let's just place a few contours here. And all right, so we can see how that works. Our other option is to select an existing line. So I'll select that line and you can see it's placed the labels along that line. So that will work with a selection set or all lines on a particular level as well. Our other option is to place a label by contour. So I'll place some labels on this contour here at every 20 meters. So that's placing the labels along the contour. Our other option is to place labels along a corridor. So I'll just open up my corridor file. And what I've got here is some contours that are displayed from the corridor. So I'll just load up the program again. And I'll go place labels by line facing up. And we can see that's placing the labels along those contours facing up. And then I could also just select one of the strings from the corridor as well. So I'm selecting that string from the corridor and you can see it's placed those labels all the way along that corridor. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any other ideas for new features, just let me know by adding a comment below. If you'd like more information about CaddPro, you can look us up on our website or find me on LinkedIn. Also, if you're in Sydney during the week at the Bentley Illuminate event, I'd love to have a chat. Come up and say hi, and I'll be happy to answer any questions you have. Thanks for watching.